Hey, movers and shakers, welcome to the Seven Figure Moving Academy. I'm your host, Jae Burnham, and today I'm going to talk to you about the most important email that you can send. What is that email, and how is it going to increase your revenue, your ROI, by 320%? That's what we're discussing today on the Seven Figure Moving Academy. Hi guys, Jae Burnham here with the Seven Figure Moving Academy. Glad to have you guys here. What an amazing day we're having. It's just good, just a good, beautiful, gorgeous, breezy day. About 75 with a nice breeze to keep it on the cooler side. Just having a great day. We're into the summer season. Welcome to June. You've seen some of our recent videos and webinars, and thank you guys for coming to that. Appreciate that. But let's get in. Today we're going to be discussing how to send and what email to send that's going to be the most important email for you guys to send when you actually close that sale. And we're going to just get right into it. But before we do, got to go a little bit of house cleaning. This video is being sponsored by Moversville. Moversville is an e-marketing service for movers. It will help you maximize your repeat and referral business by streamlining your moving company into a proven email marketing system by Moversville. And I tell you what, it is a great system. You get 50% off the first 2 months of service once you sign up. Right here's the homepage. Feel free to go to it. But more than that, it is also a great place to find different suppliers in the moving industry. It is your one-stop shopping place for all of your moving supplier needs. If you need software, if you need advertising, you need insurance, applications, moving equipment, moving leads, whatever you connect at .moversville.com is your location. It also has a very informative blog written by some of the top minds in the moving industry. And there's even a couple of blogs written by yours truly. But let's get into the training today, guys, and let's get to it. The most important email you should send, and I'm going to tell you about it right now. This email could literally increase your return on investment by 320%. Per reach mail, sending this email could potentially increase your revenue by 320%. Could you imagine that, guys? What 320% increase in your revenue could do for your business? Can you imagine what that could help you get and buy and the equipment that you can get? Well, that's what this email can do for you if you do it right. And we're going to go over it here in a moment. How many emails do you need to send to deliver the most value and make the biggest impression? I'm going to tell you in a second, but let me tell you that when you're sending out emails, if you send plain text emails like HTML over HTML emails, you'll have a far better open rate. So guys, when you're looking at sending an email, just make it a plain text. But here's something else. A video email actually does even better than that. So if you're going to send out emails, look at doing plain text emails over HTML. HTML emails are those emails that come with all the pretty graphics, etc. While they're pretty and they definitely increase the value necessarily, they're actually not that valuable if the people aren't opening up. So open up plain text emails. And if you can, send just a video email. So much better. So how many emails do you have to send? Just one. And that email is the welcome email. It's also called the hub email. And I'm going to explain why that is in just a moment. But your welcome hub email should be sent immediately upon booking the move. There should be no time between booking them and getting that email. The moment your salesperson marks down that they have sold that job, they should have an email in their in basket like right now. That is when you need to get them. You need to get it strike when the fire's hot, when the iron's hot. So the welcome email will separate you from your competitors, and it's going to establish you as a true professional that you are. Now, a lot of people, a lot of moving companies will send out just a regular old vanilla email. Hey, thanks for signing up with us. We'll stay in touch with you. Yay. Woo. Right? No. That's not what an email does. Welcome email does. It's a hub. It's a hub. Remember that word. It's a hub. So a lot of emails send out this welcome email, and it's nothing more than a canned, templated email that does nothing to add any value to your customer. So let's talk about the Joneses. The Joneses, they booked their move with you. They sent out, and you send them a 2-sentence email thanking them for signing up. They feel lost. They don't know what to do first or even how to go about it. I mean, really, is that what you want to do to your customers? Is that the impression you want to make? Here's a tip. Personalizing the emails is essential in developing and maintaining a relationship with your customer. It shows you care, and it makes them feel like they're part of the process. So when you do send an email, personalize it, right? Well, it should say meet Matt, not meet, but hey, to each his own, right? This is a very much, okay. Anyway, we'll just go. So meet Matt. He just signed up with your company, and he's expecting you to provide some details about your but your welcome email left him unsatisfied. Because your email did not have useful details and useful information, he felt like you may not be that professional as you seem. It might give him some of that doubt, the lingering doubt, like, did I really hire the right guys? And if the guy's feeling that way, he's going to have that feeling throughout the entire moving process. Not only that, it might make him so that he continues to want to search around and look around for other moving companies instead of just, nailing you down permanently. So it's something that you want to, keep in mind. So here's another useful tip. When you send out the hub email, it should be between 5 to 10 articles in your hub email. Videos, downloads, anything that's going to help explain or help move, explain the move or help the shipper and reinforce your contract and terms and conditions. Your hub email should have 5 to 10 items on it that says, hey, go to here for this. If you want to know how to pack, here's some moving tips. Here's a good, useful checklist. Go watch this video on how to pack, so on and so forth. Things like that. That's what your hub email's for. Now, a weak welcome email left the Joneses anxious and made Matt feel unsatisfied, right? You got to send out a strong impression. You got to make that first impression with that. You got to make sure that they're getting that hub, that they're getting valuable information. You're adding value to them. You're adding value to your move, and it just increases your value to them overall. So here's another tip. Ideally, when your welcome email, you will give your shippers all the info they need to prepare for their move, as well as knowing that they are cared for by providing valuable information that they can act on. Welcome hub emails include your shipper in the moving process. So Matt won't feel unsatisfied and the Joneses won't feel like they're lost. Your shippers, nor will they feel anxious about the move, and this email will separate you from the rest of the other moving companies that are just sending out a templated 1 or 2 sentence saying, hey, thanks for signing up with us. We'll stay in touch with you. Having this welcome hub email is going to separate you. It's going to make them feel like they're part of the team. It's going to give them all the information so they're not going to feel lost. It should be, you could actually set it up in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 order. Have them go, what I want you to do is I want you to go through these sources, in order, and just have them do that. And it's going to make them feel a lot better about you. It's going to make them feel like you're a professional and that you're on top of your game. Not only that, it's a great opportunity to make sure that they get the terms and conditions are reinforced, your contract's enforced. You can give them the rights and responsibility PDF that you're supposed to, all right in that email. Professionalism is the key. By showing your shippers that what their next steps are and the useful guides create stability in the move. There won't be that anxiousness. There won't be that doubt creeping in. With an easy-to-read listed welcome email that have a one-stop source for all the info they need in place, you're going to kill it. It's going to show that you're professional. right? Here's an awesome tip you should know. Your subject line should start with their name. Remember we talked about personalization, and then welcome the mover to the family. The emails, your emails, any emails you send, but especially your welcome email should have these three key elements. They should be delivered with speed, they should have personalization, and they should actually be very, very simple. Simplicity. Just keep it simple, stupid, really. You know, deliver in a timely manner, make sure it's personalized with their name or names, and just keep it very simple. All right, here's a good tip for the email. The body should start off with their name, followed by a simple sentence. Then it should have a bulleted list of blog posts, articles, checklists, and other useful items, and then with a professional ending, a salutary ending. Now, guys, that is the presentation. It's really not that hard. It's not that difficult. If you're not sending out welcome emails, you should be. You should be sending them out every time you book the job. I don't care if it's for a one-bedroom apartment to a 8,000 square foot house. I don't really care. You should send out a welcome email and make it personalized and give them the same information, right? This is your key email. And per the research, you will actually be able to increase your ROI by 320% if you follow these basic instructions. Now, if you would like a PDF version of this presentation, that is the link to go to. Just go ahead and click that in. Feel free to go and click that, and you'll get a PDF version of this presentation for your information, so you can download it, keep it on your computer, and use it for your references. So, guys, I just got to say, man, thanks a lot for coming here. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't like this video, give me a thumbs up anyway. Make sure you go right down there, click the subscribe button, hit the bell so you're informed of these videos when they comes out. Now, let me know what kind of emails you're doing. What are you going to implement now? I want to know what you guys are looking for. What are you guys doing when you're sending out your emails? Are you sending out welcome emails? And if you're not, are you going to start doing it? Let me know in the comment section below. I like you. I love you. I want you to do really good. Go out and do something great today. All right? Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.